So why can't I just run and go get a multivitamin or multi-mineral off the shelf?
You can, and many people do. And again, the perception is that I'm taking this supplement, my needs are covered. Not necessarily, because there is a pathway of metabolism for minerals. It's the mineral pathway in the body that the minerals have to go through from your food or from a supplement for the bioavailability of that mineral to occur. And this process is called chelation. Chelation is a word that comes from Greek, and it means claw. And the word itself doesn't really mean anything, and a lot of products are using that word, chelated minerals, chelated process. Don't get caught up in the word chelation. It is a very specific way that the body uses the minerals in that mineral pathway that is necessary for bioavailability to occur. So I want to describe that in just a very simplistic process. Let's say that you take a supplement from a health food store or a grocery store, over the counter, whatever, and you take that thinking, I'm filling in those nutritional gaps. What really happens is in your body through digestion, starting with the saliva in your mouth, the body starts to separate the different substrates of the different foods and elements from the different minerals and other parts, the fiber, the soluble fiber, the proteins, the sugars, etc. And as the minerals get to the stomach, they are processed in the stomach acid to what is called an ionic mineral or ionization, which means that minerals are liquefied. A mineral in its natural organic state or inorganic state is actually a crystal or salt chemistry structure. So the body is not designed that it can take a rock and use a rock or a crystal in the body for nutritional needs. It has to convert that element. So the first conversion site is the stomach. From there, the minerals, after they have been liquefied and converted, go to the jejunum, the upper level of the intestinal tract. And at the jejunum, hopefully there have been proteins eaten that have been digested down to their amino acids. And these amino acids are on the jejunum waiting for the minerals to come, and they're waiting for their buddies to show up. And so all of a sudden here comes those minerals, and the amino acids are all happy. Hooray, they're here. Now there becomes a war, and it's a war of who's going to get to the finish line first. And there is a war between the amino acids and the minerals trying to form a new molecular structure, forming a new bond in a covalent-valent bonding process to form an amino acid chelated mineral.